Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. If you have not been here before, my name is Shay San Juan, and if you have been here before, welcome home. Today is going to be part 2 of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Brushes collaboration Vault palette. Today I'm doing Ring the Alarm, and this palette is so fall. Super excited with this look I created. I actually used a ColourPop matte liquid lipstick for the liner. I've been using all my old ColourPop matte liquid lipsticks because they're kind of drying on me. For eyeliner, they are perfect. Just don't put too much on because by the end of the day, all the eyeliner was like on my bottom, like it was like all down here. So yeah, if you don't want to look like a raccoon, do it lightly because I look kind of scary even though I liked it. Not the Gen Pop did not appreciate that. And also, excuse my hair. I've been trying to not heat style my hair for the longest time and it's working out for me personally, but it makes me look kind of like a mess. So I'm sorry about that. I didn't know I was having company over. I would have picked up. But anyways, we're not hair for the hair, we are hair for the makeup. So let's get on with this tutorial.
For my base, I used the Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand and blended it out with a beauty blender, but this is the start of the show. The Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault series in Ring the Alarm. I'm starting out the color Mugshot with the small Royal Langnickel small crease brush. I'm going to apply the color and just build up that pigmentation. And when the color becomes rich enough for you, then lighten up your pressure and remove that line of demarcation. Just lightly blend out the line. Don't press down or else you're going to have a big, crazy, colorful cloud of whatever color you're choosing to put on your eye. This color is lowly, but he ain't all by himself. It's called Lolly, I think, but it's a beautiful shimmery peach shade. I'm using a Morphe M506 brush to blend out that line of demarcation and add a little touch of shimmer to that line. And when this is all done, I took my Royal Langnickel brush that I used earlier just to add that pigmentation that I removed when I blended out the color. With a Morphe M560 brush, I'm going to use this color Framed and lightly press that on my outer corner of my eye. When I do minor details like this, especially on the outer corner, I just like to press the color in there because I don't want it everywhere. I just want it in a very limited area and then lightly dust it off. But a pencil brush kind of creates a more, how you say, detailed action. So it's good to be very careful with this. I dusted off the leftovers and kind of pushed it into the center of my eye as well. But I like to keep the color closer to the crease in my eye, lightly dusting it down because once you cut your crease, all that color is going to disappear and you'll have a nice, beautiful, clean line to work with. And I went back with my Royal Langnickel brush because this guy is my cleaner. It's my janitor. It's going to clean up all my lines, but I just used a very light feathery touch to kind of just budge the lines a bit. It's time to cut a bitch. I went with my Tarte Shape Tape. It's my favorite thing to use, my favorite concealer to cut a crease because it's a little mattifying and drying. Well, I don't want to say drying because people, you know, the word dry, people get scared, but it kind of sets itself, I guess you could say. So it's not going to be all wet and sticky to work with when you apply that color. This is just a random MAC concealer brush. I love how sharp and flat it is. It is perfect to cut a crease with. And I'm moving on to a Bdellium 772. This shade is on camera. I will pat that on first, and then if you want to like slide your brush across, you can, but you don't really have to. It works better, I think, if you just pat the color on there. This is a Morphe Y22 and the shade Bomb Ass, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner of my eye, in the end of the crease, actually, not exactly the outer corner. But hey, that's the name of the color. It's not me cussing this time, people. Okay. This is the Thrive Causemetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. I love this as an inner corner highlight. See how it just perfectly fits in the inner corner of my eye. Love this. That green liner I mentioned earlier is actually a ColourPop liquid lipstick. It's in the color Dr. M, which I think it's discontinued, but it's a very dark, rich green color. The brush I'm using, I saw the tag on it because I'm like that. Is from Michaels. It's like in the art section. I'm like, ooh, this is fine. So that's why I got it. But I have to be honest, it was kind of difficult using this brush. I don't know if it was the product or the brush, but I got this brush because it fits perfectly inside the tube of the lipstick, but the lipstick kept drying on me. So every time I had to get more, I just emptied the tube anyway. So I didn't need to put it in the tube. And it's kind of gross to do that, I guess. Like it's double dipping, but whatever. We made it through. through, damn it. We made it through. And I'm finishing up the tail on this liner. We're gonna move on to my liquid lipstick. I use Laritzy liquid lipstick in Whip. This color is a beautiful coral nude shade and it is matte. For mascara, I'm using the Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extensions in Brynn. This mascara has orchid stem cells. It is great, especially as a daily to nourish your lashes. Speaking of lashes, today's falsies are brought to you by Vida Causemetics. This is in Corazon. I have a discount code if you're interested in using and purchasing this product. I will link that down below along with the review video of these lashes. They are completely amazing, and this business is actually owned and operated by a woman. Please support women and minority-owned businesses here in USA because really, and anywhere, I mean anywhere, because this is the dream. And I'm going to stop yapping and line my eyes. This is a Thrive Causemetics Infinity Waterproof Liner in Lauren.
And that is it for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much from the bottom of my heart and my soulless soul. If you like this video or videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media. I have an Instagram, I have a Facebook. Oh, I have a YouTube right here. I deleted my Snapchat and Twitter. I feel like 2 steps freer and going out on the outside to see the light. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Hope you all had a beautiful day, noodles and toodles.